Well, I was planning to try and figure out what was wrong with both these VCRs because they were doing what seemed to be the exact same problem. Um, the loading tray was just going back and forth forever. The Panasonic on the bottom here would still take a tape. It's just when it didn't have a tape, it would go back and forth. However, now it's working fine. So, I don't know. Let's see if this one's working all of a sudden now. Yeah, it's still broken. Let's see what's wrong with it. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Nope. It's almost like it's completely out of alignment. It's weird. I don't think I ever opened this thing up when I was repairing it last. I think all I did was clean this pinch roller and adjust the azimuth of this head. I didn't do anything else. This problem seems to have come up on its own, which kind of makes me think it's a mode switch. Let's find the mode switch. And I wasn't recording for that, so I'll just kind of work my way back and say this is held in with 3 silver screws. There, and then one straight down in here. Hold on to this post, that post, and that post. And then this little video amplifier board sits on the back here. So it plugs in like that. It's held on with a screw that goes to the black plastic chassis, and a screw on to this piece here, and then also one of those silver screws I was talking about. And then, like a lot of modern VCRs, this whole thing just pops right out. And we get to see the bottom. A nice little belt. And there's the mode switch, which, interestingly enough, those look really dirty to start. Look at that. Huh. That connects to these. And those look pretty tarnished. Might as well clean both, but I'm really curious if that might be it. Check this out. There's your end of tape LED. It goes up into this little light tube. And then should go up here somewhere. Why am I not seeing it? Oh shit! Why do I have electrical tape on that? Are you fucking kidding me? I was buggering around with this thing for some reason, and I left electrical tape on that. Alright, I'm gonna just like clean these terminals while I'm in here, put this back together, and it's probably fine. I'm assuming I have some left. Wow, okay. Might need another bottle of this. Ooh! It's literally black. Okay, well, I mean, I guess it was good to come in here anyway and give these a clean. Wow. I'm gonna have to use another Q-tip. Just a little bit of this crap on here. Huh, this part isn't as bad. Wow. That top bit. Just black shit coming off of there. Focus. There we go. Black crap. It's like grease. Huh. Anyway, that, regardless of if there was a problem, looks a million times better now. And just taking a look here, when putting it back, it looks like there's a connector here, 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 the erase head over there, and then of course those contacts over here. And you can see the connectors on the bottom. Okay, there's that one. Ah, yeah, here's the other one. Okay, so that's the one for the video head. That one, and that one. Just make sure I line them all up when I put it back in. Alright, it's all put back together. Let's see what happens. That's a good sign, I guess.
The trees and to the right, so
son of a bitch.